Hello dear friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Laboratory. Today we are going to deal with identification test. Myself, lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Let's start with experiment number 19. Title of the experiment: to perform and report identification test on given sample of sodium bicarbonate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Let's start with objective. Learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to learn intellectual skill, to understand the concept of experiment and motor skill, to identify the physical property, to observe the solubility in water and different solvent, and to observe the precipitation formed in the test solution. Now let's start with concept regarding identification test. Proposition first: organoleptic description that involves information in respect to color, nature, odor and the taste. Then solubility: statement of the solubility are indicated by descriptive term and are intended to apply at 20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. And the following table indicates the meaning of term used in statements of approximate solubility. Very soluble means it is soluble in less than 1 ml of solvent, and these descriptive terms are useful for 1 gram of solute. Freely soluble, that means 1 gram of solute is dissolved in 1 to 10 ml of solvent. Soluble, that means it is dissolved from 10 to 30 ml of solvent. Sparingly soluble means 1 gram of solute is dissolved or soluble from 30 to 100 ml of water solvent. Then slightly soluble means the 1 ml of solute is dissolved or soluble from 100 to 1000 ml of water, suitable solvent. Then very slightly soluble, that means 1 gram of solute is soluble from 1000 to 10,000 ml of solvent. And insoluble or practically insoluble, that means it is soluble from more than 10,000 ml of solvent. Now proposition 3, identification test. These are the tests to verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. Failure of an article taken from a labeled container to meet the requirement of the prescribed identification test indicated that the article may be mislabeled or substituted, and that these tests are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity. Now, general concept structure. First of all, we have to perform description of the drug, then solubility in different solvent, and identification test as per IP. If all of these three tests gives positive response and passes the test, that means the compound is complies the test, and if it fails, that means it does not comply the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Apparatus require glasswares are test tube stand and graduated pipette. Then chemicals: alcohol 95%, sodium bicarbonate, potassium carbonate, potassium antimonate solution, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, magnesium uranyl sulfate, magnesium sulfate, silver nitrate solution, potassium dichromate, diphenyl carbazide, and barium hydroxide solution. Now for the actual practical, we move towards laboratory. Hello dear student, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Lab. Today we are going to deal with identification test. Today we are going to perform experiment number 19. Title of the experiment: identification of sodium bicarbonate. To perform and report identification test on given sample of sodium bicarbonate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. In previous session we already discussed the theory and concept regarding the practical. Now let's start with actual practical. Let's start the procedure. First of all, we have to perform the description. This is our sample, which is white colored crystalline powder, which is odorless and tasteless. Now let's start with solubility. For that, we have to take sample and check solubility in different solvent. First solvent is water. Add water, shake it vigorously and check the observation. It is freely soluble in water. Now check the solubility in next solvent, that is ethanol. Take sample and add ethanol 95%. Given sample is practically insoluble in ethanol. Now let's start with identification test. First test, solution of substance. That means we have to prepare solution of substance. Take sample, add water, dissolve the substance in water properly, and then boil this solution. On boiling, it liberates carbon dioxide. Yes, there is a bubble formation. That means here carbon dioxide is evolved. Means it complies the test for sodium bicarbonate. Next test, take sample, make it solution. For that we have to take water, dissolve it properly and add magnesium sulfate solution. No precipitate is formed. Now boil the solution. On boiling, it gives white colored precipitate. Next test, take 0.1 gram of sample, add 2 ml of water, and add 2 ml of 15% weight by volume of potassium chromate solution. Now we have to heat this solution. No precipitate is produced. After heating, add 4 ml of freshly prepared potassium antimonate solution. You have to take 4 ml of this potassium antimonate solution. Again boil this solution. a dense white precipitate is produced on heating. Now next test, we have to acidify the solution containing our compound with the 1 molar acetic acid. For that we have to take sample, then add 1 molar of acetic acid for acidifying, then add excess of magnesium uranyl sulfate. After addition of excess of magnesium uranyl sulfate, we got yellow powder, yellow precipitate. Now, after performing the practical, we move towards observation table. First is description, that involves nature. Nature is crystalline powder, color white to colorless, and odor is odorless. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Second test, solubility. Solubility performed in water, and the observation is freely soluble in water. And in alcohol, it is practically insoluble. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then third test, identification test, that involve 5 tests. Test A, it gives effervescence of CO2 is observed. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now test B, observation is a white precipitate is produced. That means it also complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Test C, a white precipitate is produced and which is dissolved on addition of dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid. Inference, it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then test D, a dense white precipitate is produced. That means it also complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. And test E, a yellow crystalline precipitate is produced. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now result, the given sample of sodium bicarbonate complies the test A, B, C and D for identification test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. On ionization, sodium bicarbonate gives sodium ion plus bicarbonate ion, HCO3 minus. And pharmaceutical category is systemic alkalizer, or it is also act as electrolyte replenishers. Thank you dear student for attending the practical session.